The African sun blazes down on a tranquil river. Steam rises from the water. Birds call from the trees. The scene seems peaceful, but danger lurks beneath the surface. This is the domain of the hippopotamus, a creature of immense power and surprising grace. Often misunderstood as lumbering giants, hippos are fascinating animals with complex lives. They are vital to the health of African rivers and their surrounding ecosystems. Hippos are the third largest land mammals on Earth, after elephants and white rhinos. Despite their bulk, they are surprisingly agile in water. They can hold their breath for an astonishing amount of time. Let us delve into the world of these incredible creatures. Join me as we uncover the secrets of the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is a master of adaptation, perfectly designed for its semi-aquatic lifestyle. These magnificent creatures spend up to 16 hours a day submerged in rivers and lakes, keeping cool under the hot African sun. Their bodies are uniquely suited to this environment, allowing them to thrive where other animals might struggle. One of the most fascinating aspects of the hippo's anatomy is the strategic positioning of its eyes, ears, and nostrils. These features are located high on the head, enabling the hippo to see, hear, and breathe while the rest of its body remains submerged. This unique adaptation allows the hippo to stay mostly underwater, reducing its exposure to the sun and keeping its massive body cool. It also helps them stay hidden from potential threats, as only a small part of their head is visible above the water's surface. Additionally, hippos have a special membrane that covers their eyes when they are underwater. This membrane acts like a pair of built-in goggles, providing clear vision and protecting their eyes from debris and potential harm. Their ears are another marvel of nature's design. Small and able to close tightly, these ears prevent water from entering while the hippo is submerged. This is crucial for maintaining their hearing and preventing infections. Beneath their thick skin, hippos possess a substantial layer of blubber. This blubber not only provides insulation, keeping them warm in cooler waters, but also adds buoyancy, allowing them to float effortlessly. This buoyancy is essential for conserving energy. By floating, hippos can rest and sleep in the water without expending much effort, which is vital for their survival in the wild. The skin of a hippo is another remarkable feature. While it is tough and thick, providing protection from predators and the environment, it is also incredibly sensitive. This sensitivity is particularly important in water, where it helps the hippo detect changes in their surroundings, such as shifts in water currents or the presence of other animals. By sensing these changes, hippos can navigate their watery habitats more effectively, avoiding dangers and finding food sources with greater ease. To thrive in their watery homes, hippos have developed a range of unique physical adaptations. These adaptations not only help them survive, but also make them one of the most efficient swimmers in the animal kingdom. Their powerful legs and webbed feet provide excellent propulsion, allowing them to move gracefully and swiftly through the water. Despite their bulky appearance, hippos are surprisingly agile swimmers. Another critical adaptation is their ability to close their nostrils when submerged. This prevents water from entering their respiratory system, allowing them to stay underwater for extended periods without inhaling water. Their webbed feet are not just for swimming, they also provide stability and traction when walking on the riverbed. This dual functionality is a testament to the hippo's evolutionary success. The hippopotamus is a testament to the power of natural selection and adaptation. Every aspect of their anatomy and behavior is finely tuned to their semi-aquatic lifestyle, making them one of nature's most fascinating creatures. The heart of Africa, with its winding rivers and lush wetlands, is the kingdom of the hippopotamus. These animals are found throughout sub-Saharan Africa, wherever there is enough water to support their bulk. They favor slow-moving rivers and lakes with abundant vegetation. While their range was once far more extensive, habitat loss and human encroachment have led to a decline in their numbers. Despite these challenges, hippos remain a vital part of the African landscape. They are a keystone species, meaning their presence has a significant impact on the health of their ecosystem. Their grazing habits help to maintain the balance of aquatic plant life. This in turn supports a diverse array of fish and other aquatic creatures. The survival of the hippopotamus is crucial to the health and biodiversity of the African rivers they call home. Section 4. The rules of the pod. Within the hippopotamus social structure, a clear hierarchy reigns. This hierarchy is essential for maintaining order and ensuring the survival of the group. Each member of the pod knows its place, and this structure helps to minimize conflicts and promote cooperation among the hippos. Dominant males rule over groups called pods, which can consist of up to 30 individuals. These males are often the largest and strongest in the group, having fought their way to the top. Their dominance is not just about physical strength, but also about their ability to lead and protect the pod. These pods provide a level of safety and social interaction. The presence of a dominant male deters predators and rival males, creating a safer environment for the females and young hippos. Social interactions within the pod, such as grooming and playing, help to strengthen bonds and ensure the well-being of the group. Life within the pod is governed by a complex system of communication. This communication is vital for maintaining the social structure and ensuring that each member of the pod knows its role and responsibilities. Hippos communicate through a variety of grunts, snorts, and bellows. These sounds can convey different messages, from expressing contentment to signaling distress or aggression. Each vocalization has a specific meaning and is understood by other members of the pod. These vocalizations are used to express dominance, attract mates, and warn off rivals. The dominant male's bellow is particularly powerful and can be heard over long distances, serving as a clear signal of his presence and strength. They also use dung spreading as a form of communication, marking their territory and signaling their presence to other hippos. This behavior helps to establish boundaries and reduce conflicts with neighboring pods. Young males constantly challenge the dominant male for control of the pod. These challenges are a natural part of the social structure, ensuring that only the strongest and most capable males lead the group. These battles can be fierce and bloody. They are not just about physical strength, but also about strategy and endurance. The outcome of these battles determines the future leadership of the pod. They involve biting, headbutting, and even pushing rivals underwater. These aggressive encounters can result in serious injuries or even death, but they are crucial for maintaining the social order within the pod. The victor earns the right to mate with the females in the pod, ensuring the continuation of his lineage. This reproductive success is the ultimate reward for the dominant male, securing his genetic legacy and the future of the pod. Section 5. Grazing giants shaping the land. As the sun sets, hippos emerge from the water, their massive bodies glistening. They are herbivores relying on a diet of grass and other vegetation. Each night, a hippo can consume over 80 pounds of grass. They graze for hours, their powerful jaws working tirelessly. This grazing plays a vital role in their ecosystem. It helps to control the growth of vegetation, preventing overgrowth. Their dung, rich in nutrients, acts as a natural fertilizer. This fertilizes the soil and supports the growth of new plants. Their movements between grazing areas and water sources create pathways. These pathways become important corridors for other animals. The hippopotamus, through its feeding habits, is a crucial architect of its environment. They ensure a healthy balance within their riverine ecosystems. Section 6. The circle of life on the riverbanks. The riverbanks of Africa are teeming with life, a vibrant ecosystem where the hippopotamus reigns supreme. Here, the circle of life is evident in every ripple of the water and every rustle of the reeds. The arrival of new life is a significant event in the hippopotamus world. A newborn calf represents hope and continuity for the species. These young hippos are the future, and their birth is celebrated by the entire pod. After a gestation period of around 8 months, females give birth to a single calf. This process usually takes place underwater, providing a safe and secluded environment for the newborn's first moments. These calves are born underwater and must quickly learn to surface for air. Within moments of birth, they instinctively paddle to the surface, taking their first breath in the open air. This crucial skill is vital for their survival in the aquatic world they inhabit. Mothers are fiercely protective of their young, nurturing them and defending them from predators. The bond between a mother hippo and her calf is incredibly strong, and she will go to great lengths to ensure her offspring's safety. Calves stay close to their mothers for the first few years of their lives, relying on them for milk and protection. During this time, they learn essential survival skills and social behaviors that will help them thrive in the wild. As they grow, they gradually become more independent. Young hippos start to venture away from their mothers, exploring the riverbanks and learning to navigate their environment. This period of exploration is crucial for their development. They start to explore their surroundings and interact with other members of the pod. Playful interactions with peers help them develop social bonds and establish their place within the group. These interactions are not only fun, but also essential for their social development. The survival rate of hippo calves is relatively high thanks to the care and protection provided by their mothers and the pod. The collective effort of the pod ensures that the young are well guarded against threats, increasing their chances of reaching adulthood. This ensures the continuation of the species. The presence of multiple generations within a pod is a testament to the success of their social structure and the effectiveness of their protective strategies. The cycle of life and death continues in the heart of Africa, with the hippopotamus playing a central role. Their existence is a vital part of the ecosystem, contributing to the balance and health of their environment. The riverbanks are a stage where the drama of life unfolds, showcasing the resilience and beauty of nature.